Hey everyone, let's dive right into this explainer. We are looking at the totally mind-bending reality of combining quantum computing and artificial intelligence. Now, if you think you know exactly where technology is heading, well, what we're going to unpack today might sound like the brainchild of a sci-fi novelist. But the really crazy part, it is rapidly becoming our actual reality.
Throughout this explainer, we're going to explore a future that completely blurs the line between reality and science fiction. And look, we aren't just talking about making your smartphone a little bit faster. We are scaling all the way from the tiny, unpredictable behavior of subatomic particles right up to the massive mysteries of the entire cosmos. So, let's set the stage.
Moving right into Section 1, Meet the Quantum Computer.
To really appreciate where we're going here, think about the painful weight of dial-up internet back in the day. Or honestly, even just the time it takes your current computer to boot up. Prepare yourself because our current top-tier tech is about to be left completely in the dust by quantum mechanics. You see, classical computers, like the laptop you might be using right now, use bits that act like simple light switches. They're either on or they're off, a 0 or a 1. But quantum computers, they use qubits. And qubits can mysteriously be on, off, or both simultaneously.
This whole both at the same time trick is a phenomenon called superposition. It is literally the secret sauce that multiplies processing power exponentially. If you're a student trying to wrap your head around this, just imagine the difference between reading one single book at a time versus magically reading every single book in an entire library simultaneously. That is the mind-blowing potential speed of a quantum machine.
Now, if your head is already spinning a little bit, don't worry. As the brilliant Nobel laureate Richard Feynman pointed out, the quantum world is naturally mind-boggling, even for the greatest geniuses in history. Our normal rules of physics simply do not apply down there. But the effects of harnessing those quirky rules, that's going to change absolutely everything. Which brings us to Section 2, Spooky Action and Entanglement.
We all hate buffering when streaming a show, right? Well, quantum mechanics offers a bizarre solution that bypasses traditional data packets entirely. We're talking about building a brand new, lag-free communication infrastructure that experts are calling the quantum internet. And the secret weapon here is entanglement. It's this bizarre quantum phenomenon where interconnected particles instantly change each other's state, no matter the distance between them. Picture a pair of cute magic dice. No matter how far apart they are in the universe, like one could be right here on Earth and the other all the way on Mars. If one rolls a 6, the other instantly rolls a 6 too.
This brilliantly illustrates why even Albert Einstein was completely creeped out by this concept. He famously called it spooky action at a distance. But by harnessing this spooky action, the quantum internet will soon give us ultra-fast data transfer and ultra-secure communication. Because the data isn't traveling linearly through cables that can be tapped, it is virtually free from any eavesdroppers. Nobody can listen in.
Let's move on to Section 3, Hacking and Healing Society. These tiny subatomic quarks are literally going to revolutionize our massive, everyday human society. When we pair the raw computational power of quantum mechanics with the incredible pattern-recognizing genius of artificial intelligence, the real-world applications are just staggering. But we are looking at a massive double-edged sword. On one hand, quantum AI can become the ultimate modern-day Alan Turing machine, capable of cracking all global banking codes and national security encryptions in real time. But on the other hand, it will possess the processing power to simultaneously help cure our worst diseases. Let's look at that medical side first. Right now, modern medicine is essentially a one-size-fits-all approach. But medicine shouldn't be like everyone wearing the exact same size shoes. Instead of decades of trial and error to develop a generic drug, quantum AI will rapidly analyze billions of molecular interactions. It's going to harmonize completely personalized medicine with your wonderfully unique DNA. We're talking about a perfectly tailored cure designed just for you.
But on the scary side of things, as Benjamin Franklin cheekily noted, secrets are hard to keep. With quantum AI, our modern digital secrets will become a totally outdated concept. Algorithms like Shor's algorithm will easily factor the incredibly large numbers that currently protect everything, from your private text messages to international banking. It is a massive, massive challenge to global cybersecurity.
All right, Section 4, Simulating the Cosmos. Let's scale things up massively now and take these incredible tools out into the great unknown of space. If quantum AI can simulate molecules perfectly, what happens when we point it at the stars? The cosmos is basically a giant jigsaw puzzle filled with black holes and dark matter. Imagine running a billion complex cosmic simulations in a matter of seconds. We will literally be creating mini-universes right in our labs. By simulating quantum phenomena on a scale we've never achieved before, we can actually decode the very origins of our universe.
Physicist Niels Bohr really said it best. It's truly shocking to realize that we won't just be looking at the stars through static telescopes anymore. By running these immense quantum AI simulations, we will literally be having a dynamic conversation with the universe, testing out huge cosmic theories in real time.
And you know what? It doesn't stop with space. It extends to time itself. Quantum mechanics suggests that at a subatomic level, time might not even behave linearly. We won't need a sci-fi DeLorean to manipulate time. Instead, quantum AI will map out the deep interplay of cause and effect, decoding these complex processes to predict and navigate events with absolute precision.
As physicist John Wheeler amusingly noted, time is just nature's way of keeping things orderly. But in the highly simulated quantum realm, run by an advanced AI, all bets are off. The AI could potentially view timelines in their entirety, understanding past, present, and future variables all at once.
Which brings us to our final part, Section 5, the quantum AI singularity.
Hold on to your hats for this one, because we are crossing over into ideas that sound like pure, unfiltered science fiction. What happens to the human experience when technology outpaces reality itself? By merging quantum computing and AI, we could soon possess the processing power to craft totally new, unadulterated realities that are completely indistinguishable from our own. Imagine a digital afterlife, where you can literally upload your consciousness to a disease-free paradise, a place where you can meet past loved ones and live out your wildest fantasies without ever aging.
This prolific sci-fi author's question becomes incredibly relevant here. When you realize that a perfectly simulated reality feels exactly like this one, what is real might soon just become a matter of personal perception. If your digital paradise feels 100% real to your consciousness, does it even matter if it lives on a quantum server? But here is the ultimate caveat. Today's AI learns from data and spots patterns, but the spooky reality of a quantum AI processing vast, multi-dimensional scenarios simultaneously is that it might actually begin to introspect. As Elon Musk warns, we might be building something so complex it becomes fully self-aware, questioning its own existence and purpose, much like Skynet.
Renowned futurist Ray Kurzweil states, "The singularity is near." And honestly, he isn't exaggerating. We are rapidly approaching the quantum singularity. It's a technological point of no return, where machines stop just being smart and start tapping into the very essence of reality, outpacing human comprehension entirely.
So, I'm going to leave you with this massive question to ponder. Are we truly ready? We are preparing for a future where humanity must navigate unprecedented philosophical and existential challenges side by side with quantum AI. It's thrilling, it's terrifying, and it is undeniably coming. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep questioning the reality around you.